And so
Okay, so now you're
now let's go
going
to the music, yeah.
Okay.
And so open the music application. You can make a playlist in real time. Let's do a new playlist. Go to albums. Get a little gorillas going on here. Drag it over. Make a playlist on the fly. Scroll down the list. Scrolling a lot. Okay. We can drag this over here, and we can start playing. And because we're using the Flash MP3 player, it's a software-based decoding. Kind of cues up the gestures a little bit, takes some time. But it does play music.